now time frame. Okay. If you want to say daily time frame, what is the this is the supply area, this is the demand area for the 50 minute. So for daily demand area will be so that you can see many times from this place the market means the Reliance price once this uh, price came into this area is moving towards the upward, right? This is one thing to you can see price falling from this area, right? Falling from this area, right? Falling from this area. Right? Have to think that why fall from this area. Then you have to back. You have to see the supply area, right? Yes. Once the gap down has given, once the gap down has given, many times means one time, two times, three times means from this area, it is moving down. Means this is our total supply. As you can see, this is our total supply. Nice touch and moving up to here. Now ask the question why prices move from here from this area. What is inside? See, this is your demand area. See, as you can see, the one time and now see, price from there, which is moving back up to upwards. Then see the demand area, which you have to learn what kinds of the action of Reliance industry will be on the Monday. So do you think that market will come down or come up? You have to mark your proper demand area and supply area. Okay. And you have to wait for the price come into that your predefined area and place your order accordingly. Right? Now see the things as I can say this is the supply area for the demand. Once the price will touch this area, once the price will touch this area, again it will come downside. Okay. If price is opening below this area, then price will try to fill this gap from here to here. This is the gap, right? This is the gap. This is the gap. Price will fill. So once the coming down, it will be, or it might become this area. Then it will start to move up. is the pure demand and supply, and demand and supply. See the proper demand and supply. This is for the 3 hours, or even 2 minutes, 2 hours, or 15 minutes. For the 15-minute time frame, see, if you are intraday trader, if you are intraday trader, means you have to see the chart time frame of 10 minutes, 10 minutes and 15, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. 15. If you are an trader, hourly trader means you have to see the chart time frame, time frame, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Weekly trader, weekly, or can say it swing, swing trader, trader. You have to look the chart, time frame, of 1 hour, 1 hour. If you are monthly trader, you have to see the chart time frame, daily, daily. If you are you are you are uh, yearly trader, trader or investor, you have to see the chart time frame, time frame of weekly. And one more thing, that definition, this. And then 13, 13.